Hi mga mamshi! Good evening na dito sa Philippines right now. So, ang didakin natin today is We Are All Blind. Yung Bible verse is from Matthew 9 verse 27. As Jesus went on from there, two blind men followed him, calling out, "Have mercy on us, son of David." So sabi, the one who wrote today's story, si Brother Mike Binion, sabi niya, we all have blind spots or weaknesses. So sabi niya, yung kanyang one blind spot is overbooking yung kanyang calendar. So sometimes kasi parang you think you thought you can handle all the schedules or accommodate a lot of people, but pag actual na yun, nagpapatong-patong na yung schedule natin. So in today's Gospels, foresight wasn't the issue with the blind man, but yung side niya. Kaya nga they were asking assistance from Jesus to help them see. But sabi nga ni Brother Mike Binyas, they knew Jesus is the man, the healer, and they were humbled enough to ask for help. So tayo daw ngayon, many of us today, we fail to receive the help we need is because of our pride. So we think we can do everything, we can manage on our own. So we try our best to do it, but at the end we are not getting our target. So maybe we are proud, we think we can do it on our own. So sabi ni Brother Mike today, humbly lift your need to the Lord from whom your help comes from. Then see Him respond in faith. Yun, friend, sometimes we just have to humble ourselves to the Lord and ask for assistance. So baka yung answer to our prayers is coming from the Lord. So the Malaman gave us a picture of spirituality or spiritually blind people in various degrees, some more than others, stumbling their way towards Jesus. So parang Brother Mike is telling us na let us humble ourselves and go to the Lord and ask for assistance. Kung hindi man material needs yan, baka we may be materially prosperous pero spiritually dried naman tayo or blind nga, sabi ni Brother Mike Pena. So we need to go to the Lord and ask for help to give meaning and purpose to our life. Lord, open my eyes to see how desperately I need you in my life. Amen, amen. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on our next video.